Mechanical keyboards have seen a massive rise in popularity due to their responsive switches, sturdy build, and customizable layouts, making them a favorite for both gamers and typists. In a similar way, lawn equipment, particularly residential zero-turn mowers and alternatives, is judged on performance.
List number 1. Sunseeker X3 Plus Robot Lawnmower, no wire. The Sunseeker X3 Plus Robot Lawnmower is a cutting-edge solution for homeowners who want effortless lawn maintenance. Unlike traditional mowers, this model doesn't require perimeter wires. Instead, it uses advanced GPS navigation and AI-powered mapping, allowing it to cover your yard with precision and efficiency. It's equipped with smart obstacle detection, automatically avoiding trees, furniture, and pets. The mower runs quietly, making it ideal for neighborhoods where noise might be a concern. With its electric motor, it's environmentally friendly and requires little maintenance compared to gas-powered zero-turn mowers. The Sunseeker X3 Plus also connects to your smartphone, enabling you to schedule mowing sessions, track performance, and adjust settings remotely. Homeowners appreciate the convenience of hands-free mowing, especially for busy lifestyles.
List number 2. American Lawnmower Company 20-inch 5-blade push reel mower. The American Lawnmower Company 20-inch reel mower offers a classic, eco-friendly approach to lawn care. It's powered entirely by you. No gas, no batteries, no cords, making it a sustainable and low-maintenance choice. The mower features 5 alloy steel blades, sharpened to deliver a clean, scissor-like cut that's healthier for grass than rotary blades. With a 20-inch cutting width, it covers more ground per pass than smaller push reel models, making it efficient for small to medium-sized lawns. One of its strongest selling points is its lightweight build, which makes it easy to push and maneuver, even for first-time users. It's also extremely quiet, so you can mow early in the morning or evening without disturbing neighbors. On the flip side, reel mowers aren't ideal for thick, tall, or wet grass, so regular mowing is essential to maintain performance. Still, for eco-conscious homeowners or those with smaller lawns, this mower is a fantastic, budget-friendly option. Best for homeowners with small, flat lawns looking for an eco-friendly, quiet mower.
List number 3. Jungle Gym's commercial or push mower jack, lift most mowers. While not a mower itself, the Jungle Gym's commercial or push mower jack is an essential accessory for mower owners. Designed to lift most push mowers and some residential zero-turn mowers, it provides easy access to the underside for blade sharpening, cleaning, or repairs. With a heavy-duty steel frame, it ensures durability and stability while supporting significant weight. Its lever design makes lifting efficient with minimal effort, saving time compared to struggling with manual tilting. Homeowners and landscapers appreciate how it simplifies maintenance, making it easier to keep blades sharp and decks clean, 2 key factors in ensuring an even, healthy cut. While it doesn't mow lawns, its role in prolonging the life and performance of your mower cannot be overstated. It's especially useful for DIY-minded homeowners who prefer doing their own upkeep rather than relying on costly servicing. Best for homeowners and landscapers who want a reliable, heavy-duty tool for mower maintenance.
List number 4. The Walensee 18-inch push reel lawnmower is another excellent eco-friendly option for smaller lawns. With 5 sharp steel blades and an 18-inch cutting path, it delivers crisp, precise cuts without the noise, fumes, or maintenance of gas-powered models. This mower is lightweight yet sturdy, designed for easy pushing and maneuvering. Adjustable cutting heights allow homeowners to customize the grass length, ensuring a neat lawn tailored to personal preference. One of the biggest perks is its low operating cost. Since it doesn't require fuel or electricity, it's virtually maintenance-free aside from occasional blade sharpening. Its quiet operation makes it family and neighborhood-friendly. Limitations include difficulty handling tall or very thick grass, as with all reel mowers. It works best when the lawn is mowed regularly and kept in good condition. For homeowners willing to mow more frequently, the Wallen-C is a great balance of affordability and eco-consciousness.
List number 5. Jungle Jim's commercial or push mower jack, lift most mowers, even ZTRs, 800-pound capacity. This upgraded version of the Jungle Jim's mower jack is designed to handle heavier equipment, including residential zero-turn mowers up to 800 pounds. For homeowners with larger properties and powerful ZTR machines, it's a game-changing maintenance tool. Its heavy-duty steel construction ensures strength and durability, while its design makes lifting large mowers safer and more efficient. Whether you need to sharpen blades, clean the deck, or replace belts, this jack provides stable support. What sets it apart is its capacity and versatility. Unlike smaller versions, this model can handle the weight of most zero-turn mowers, making it indispensable for those who own high-performance machines. The only consideration is storage. It's a large, heavy-duty tool, so you'll need space to keep it when not in use. But for homeowners who take lawn care seriously, it's worth every inch.